We're going to do a tutorial today with the beautiful Samantha. We're going to show you form on some of the most popular exercises that, I tell you what, a lot of people get wrong, including myself. So Sammy's going to hit it. The first exercise we're going to go over is so important. All the ballet dancers, bodybuilders, everybody does it. It's a plie squat. So in this one, you can put your hands on your hips and your toes are out, facing out, and your chin is up and your back is straight, and you simply go down and then come back up. Very nice. Let's do 10 of these, Samantha. Good. And try to keep your chin up. If this was a ballet school, they are so strict about this that if your head tilts down or if you're leaning too far forward, they make you do like 10 more over and over and over again until you get it right. But I'm not a ballet teacher, so I think we're cool. This is 10 plie squats. Great for the butt, great for the thighs, great for the lower back. Very good, Samantha. The next exercise Samantha's going to do is a static lunge. These are also great for the thighs, great for the butt, great for balance, and great for the back. Yep, as you see, balance is a big thing with this. I work a lot with people with disabilities. We'll do maybe 10 on each side, Samantha. And one of the first things to go when you start to get a disability is your balance. But even the average population has trouble with balance. So the lunges are great because they really work the back of the legs, the butt, the thighs. Keep that chin up, young lady. Good. That's it. Okay. The next basic exercise we're going to do is the curl. We're going to do a regular curl. Ooh, look at Samantha's muscles. Great. We're doing a regular curl, and the main thing with the curl is you have to have complete extension and complete contraction. That means all the way down, all the way up. And we're going to do just 10 of those, even though this weight's way too light for Samantha. Good. Perfect form, Samantha. And the next thing we're going to do after this are hammer curls. So, very good. And the reason this is so important, probably the most important, again, especially for people with disabilities, it strengthens the forearm and the outer arm, which is so important for balance and getting yourself in and out of chairs and so on. This is called a hammer curl. It's also great for boxing because you develop so much strength in that area. So that's it. And then we're going to do a reverse curl coming up. So 10 hammer curls. Very nice, Samantha. Good. Very good. Good form. Look how good she looks. Good. Take your time. And our reverse curl is great specifically right on the forearm. And good. Now this is great for tennis players. Because if you notice, tennis players always have one arm bigger than the other. It's from all that abuse it takes from the racket. So these reverse curls really work directly on the part of the forearm that really, really makes you strong in racket games and hockey and stuff like that. So this is the perfect form for a reverse curl. Terrific, Samantha. Good, let's just do a couple more. One, and rest. Okay. Okay, we got another more unusual exercise for you. We're going to do kind of almost like a standing bench press. You're going to do a forward press. Very nice. This is kind of like a bench press, except you're standing up, which means you're working your shoulders and arms even more than a bench press, because you got to use a lot of stability because gravity's pulling it down. So we're going to follow this. After 10 of these, we're going to follow it with 10 shoulder press. And this is really good when you combine the two exercises in a row, because you're increasing the intensity. When you increase the intensity, you increase the result. So that's a forward press and a shoulder press. Fantastic. Good job, Samantha. Good form. One of the most important exercises, particularly in bodybuilding, is the bent over row. So important because it really strengthens your back, your neck. Very nice, Samantha. See how Samantha's back is nice and straight? So you go all the way down, all the way up. Fantastic, Samantha. Good. We'll do 15 of these. Let's do 15 bent over rows. Notice how our arm is going straight down and coming right back up. This is so important for the back, the spine, the neck, and even the waistline, because you're supporting yourself. Very good, Samantha. The next exercise is an unusual one. We're calling it the Samantha swing, because it combines two great exercises for the shoulders. There you go, Sam. We'll try to do 10 on each side. She's actually, in reality, doing a front raise and a side raise all in one. I think Samantha might have invented it. Good. Good. So the Samantha swing is in full gear. Good. And the other nice thing about this is not only you're working your shoulders really great because you're working them from 2 different angles, but you work your waist as well, because when you turn like that, fantastic. You get your little waistline in there. Very good, Samantha. Terrific. You feel that a little bit in the shoulder? Oh yeah. That one's great. And very good. Okay. So Samantha's going to show us a whole bunch of floor exercises, which are kind of Pilates and yoga style. She's starting off with a plank, and you can see her back is straight, her butt is down. Very good, Samantha. People do this sometimes 1, 2, 3 minutes. She's just doing this for demonstration purposes. And then she's doing kind of like a reach up, or a reach up to the ceiling, which is really hard on the shoulders, really great for the waist. It's kind of like a form of a plank. Great, Samantha. Really good. People really, really get great results from this, especially in yoga, because again, that shoulder joint is rough. So if you can support yourself with your shoulder joint, very good, Samantha. Let's see what Samantha's doing now. Oh, up, up, down, down. This is great because again, you have to keep yourself off the ground, which works your abs. It's great for the tush, great for the legs, great for balance, but it's like doing a push-up as well. So you're getting chest, shoulders, and arms all in one shot. Great job, Samantha. Woo! Very nice. I don't think I could do that. Now she's going from side to side. This is so good for the abs. This is a plank shifting from one side to another. This is pretty advanced. Some people have trouble with this because of balance, but Samantha's doing a great job, and this is so good for the rear end and especially the abs. Fantastic, Samantha. Great job.